This is nice. Ay, Dios mío, me cago en la, Dios mío, Padre Santo, Dios mío, Señor, ayúdame.
I'm so sorry, Mrs.
Ay,
B.
it's okay, it's okay.
I am so sorry.
It's okay. Ay, Dios mío, esta señora, esta condena, no sabe lo que está haciendo, Dios mío, Señor. Ay, Señor, Dios mío.
Mrs. Diaz, how was the tour?
Okay.
You like it here?
Sí.
Okay. Do you think you would like to be our resident?
Huh?
Would you like to be our resident?
Okay.
Okay, great. That's fantastic. Here. Welcome.
¿Qué carajo es esto? Thank you.
Okay, I just have a few questions to ask and some paperwork to fill out. It's all about your current health status and if you have any advanced directives. Oh dear. Thank you.
There you go.
Mrs. Diaz, do you know what advanced directives are?
¿Qué?
Advanced directives.
No, yo no sé.
They're about, the end of life issues.
Okay.
Do you know if your mom has any plan?
We've been meaning to get something together, but we haven't had time.
Okay, this can be a difficult question, Mrs. Diaz, but for the sake of your 7 children, it might be good if they know what type of medical treatment, if you want any, and because of the Patient Self-Determination Act, Medicare and Medicaid providers, nursing homes included at the time of new patient admissions, it's up to the new patient to determine the health care decisions, okay, about any medical treatment you may need if the occasion may arise. So we'd like you to communicate your wishes now upon signing the paperwork, okay? Do you understand what I mean, Mrs. Diaz?
Sí.
Okay. Then you talk about the casket. You said, do you? Mrs. Diaz, I'm glad to hear that I think your son mentioned that you have a resting place already picked out. When your husband passed away, he said that you purchased something online.
Yeah, remember the place that you got for you to go when when the time comes?
Wait, one.
Where we're gonna, bury you. Okay?
La cosa esa, sí,
Yeah, she
la
remembers.
caja, el casque.
Yes.
Yeah, a casket. You already have a casket? Okay, so my question is, before you end up there, we need to ask some questions, okay? So, we need to discuss a living will. Do you have a living will? Do you know what?
Will?
Yeah, do you have a will?
I know Will. Will, a good friend.
Not will, Mom. Do you have a will?
Do you have a DNR or a full
A living will.
Oh,
do you know what I mean?
okay.
Have you heard those terms before?
Sí.
Okay. Okay, do you have any idea of what if anything has been put in place? Like maybe when your husband passed away, did you two decide about that?
Sí.
So, do you have anything?
No.
No? Okay.
She's gonna help us do it. Okay? Are you okay with that? She's gonna explain that to us, and then we're gonna make sure that we get you a will, just in case when something happens, everything is taken care of.
Here, dear.
Okay?
Look like you're getting hot. Okay, this is the portion of the video where we, FYI. Yes, this is the whole purpose of the video, talking about end-of-life issues. So, living will, okay, describes medical treatments or life-sustaining treatments that the person would want if seriously ill. Many issues can be addressed, such as if the patient would like to use dialysis, respirators, or if the person would like to be resuscitated, if breathing stops. if they would want tube feeding, organ or tissue donation, hydration, and
Take us some
comfort
water.
measures. Yes. I forgot. This is your welcome drink.
Thank you.
Do you mind? Okay, so the other thing is durable power of attorney. Thank you, Mrs. Diaz. We're going to be good friends. Okay. Is a legal document that is valid throughout the United States and names a healthcare proxy, anyone at least 18 years old, to make your medical decisions. Do you have that?
No.
Okay. No, your son? No, you. I think you said you have a DNR?
Sí.
Okay, DNR, which is the next thing. The DNR, do not resuscitate order, is an advance directive where the physician writes an order for DNR. The physician can actually write this up, and it's for the patient who no longer has decision-making ability, can also have that. It does not have to be updated, and also, FYI, you LPNs out there, if a nurse is unsure if a DNR exists and does not resuscitate the patient, she is in effect making a medical decision. So it's important to know your policy and your patients, your facility policy. And then there's also a DNH, okay, which is do not hospitalize. And this may be more effective than the DNR orders in limiting treatment and preventing unnecessary and unwanted patient transfer, for example, from a long-term care facility to an acute treatment facility. So if you have that in place, then you don't need to go to a hospital for unnecessary treatment, okay? So we were going to put it in your record that you have a DNR, which is wonderful to know. So now we'll all be aware of this. And I just need your signature and your son's signature for your file. And you're welcome to move in within the week. Okay?
I think that's a wrap.
I was wondering.